This is how to upload images, which can be photos and pictures, on your Google Drive mobile app. First is to get to the app, so we drag up and then I will get to Drive. Look at Drive here, I will tap on it. Once the Drive opens, by default you'll be on the Home tab. Alright, tap on the Files tab, which is at the bottom right. So on getting to this section, the next step is to tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. You're provided with some options. Select Upload. This action automatically opens a section of your phone showing you some recent files, alright, which can be videos, pictures, and a lot of them, maybe documents. But our interest here is on pictures. So depending on the configuration of your phone, you may need to tap on File Manager, or even on the images up there, or gallery. You have a lot of options. So let me go with the File Manager route. Then this provides you with some options. So tap on Images. This displays some images that are available on my phone. Alright, so I will pick on the one I want to upload. So I'll tap on the one that has the name TT Photos. It contains a lot of photos inside. It's a folder. Alright, this folder opens showing me some pictures of mine. So now it's left for you to select the ones you want to upload, whether you want to upload only one or more than one. Just tap on that checkbox, okay? So let me go with one alone, and after that tap on Done. Then this shows you the file name, and the location is going to be saved, as well as your email address that is attached to the drive. So if you want to change the file name for easy recognition, type in this file name section and change it without removing the extension JPG. In this case, it can be PNG. So let me change mine. So I call this my new pic. Alright, so after that, tap on Upload. So give it time for the file to be uploaded into your OneDrive mobile account. Google Drive. Alright, this has been uploaded into my Google Drive mobile. So let's look and see if we can find it. You can see it here, my new pic. It's as simple as that. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. You can leave a comment if you have a question. See you some other time.